How to hide apps on your Android device. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily hide apps on your Android device. If there are some apps that you don't want on your home screen or your app drawer, then follow these steps to hide these apps. First thing first, you have to know that the settings might be a bit different from your device. So depending on what device you have, it might be a little bit different. In my case, what I'm gonna do is pinch out of my home screen and tap on settings. It will take me directly to my home screen settings. If you don't have it, in some cases you can also pinch in to access the hidden apps. But in my case, I just have to access my home screen settings. So I'm just gonna do that right now. And once you get to your home screen settings, here you have hide apps on home and app screen. Tap on it. And from here, you can just select the apps that you want to hide. So here are the apps that I'm going to hide from my home screen and the lock screen. So I'm just going to scroll down and select a few more. And once you have selected these apps, tap on done and they will be hidden from your home screen. As you can see, I had 3 more apps here before, but it's all hidden now. So that's it for this video. That's how you easily hide apps on your Android. I'll see you on the next one.